In this video, I'll show you how to go ahead and change your Gmail password on your mobile device. So first you need to go ahead and open up your settings. So click on that. I want you to follow along now. Scroll all the way down and I want you to look for this option that says Google. Click on that and you will be able to access your Google services. Okay? So what I want you to do here is come on tap on your email account. And here you can either switch to another email or you can come click on Google account. If this is the email you wanted, click on Google account and it will bring you to this page. You want to slide these settings to the left, click on security, and if you scroll down right here, you will see password changed, right? Click on that. And now once this loads up, you are able to update your password as well. So if I come here, click on manage settings, I will be able to update my password. So I come here, press on next, right? And then if you don't know your password, you can do forgot password right here. Then you enter the last password you remember. If not, you can do try another way where you basically use your recovery email or phone number. Let me put in my last password. All right, there we go. I'll just press on and next. And then we are able to change our password, okay? Just type in a new password twice and then just click on change password. All right, there we go. Just click on change password and your password has now been changed. It's really that easy and simple.